Test out this VIOFO A129 Pro Duo 4K. We just have the headlights on. We don't have the fogs. The fogs are pretty bright, so I'm not even gonna put them on. See how bright that is? Holy shit. Well, we'll test it out. And there's no one around because it's really bright. Alright, we're going to test out the LEDs. They're DDM tuning Sabre Pro X55s 3000Ks. Oh my god. That's bright as fuck. Yeah, they're definitely not for show. Definitely going to help when it's raining. You don't want to use this thing when there's oncoming traffic or you have someone in front of you. But you know what? I'm still going to use it. This is Houston, Texas. We got lifted ass trucks with light bars just blinding everyone. So if they can do that, I can do this. Normal HIDs. Not bad, not bad. But it's nothing compared with the DDM tuning Sabre Pro X55s. I mean, just look at that. Holy shit. Yeah, let's not piss off people. We can do that when it's raining hard. It's 9:30. I just wanted to drive and check out the LEDs I installed this past weekend because I haven't gotten the chance to drive them yet at night. I'm gonna go to Walgreens and pick up my medication. HIDs are really not that bad. I think these are 4300Ks. Should be the brightest HIDs as far as colors go. does need to be aimed a little higher. It's Lexus said it very conservative as far as the headlight angle goes. I think it's a little too low. They're just being way too polite. Because I've had a Nissan Titan XD. That one came with LED headlights. That was bright as fuck, and that truck sat pretty high, and it just blinded everyone. And that came in stock, you know, stock height, stock LED bulbs. So I don't know. Also had an F-150. What do you call that? FX4, 2014 model. It had stock HIDs. That one was actually, I think it was had brighter headlights because it's HIDs versus LEDs on the Titan XDs. Now that one was pretty nice. It lit up everything and also blinded everyone. Sometimes I miss having, you know, a bigger truck and an SUV, a bigger SUV, like a full-size SUV, like UX80. I don't have that anymore. But I don't miss paying the gas fees on it. You know, back then I would pay $60, $50, $60 to fill it up. You know, and it would drink all that gas in 1 week. Also, I don't miss the payments at all. The Titan XD I was paying $1,050 a month. The Ford FX4 F-150 I was paying $950 a month. So I don't miss the payment. I don't miss the payments at all. Now with this car, I finance most of it. It's $200 a month, just nothing. And also, I bought my wife, I traded her EX35 to a QX60 loaded. That I'm paying $519. So overall, I'm saving about close to $800 a month in car payments after I traded, you know, my vehicles in. Well, the reason why I traded them in is because I'm getting a new job. I want stability, and also this Biden economy sucks balls. I mean, the inflation is just way out of control. The prices of most goods rose up 30%. That's including cars and groceries. I don't know if you guys pay attention to that stuff, but that's where we are right now. Also, that means your buying power just decreased, right? Your 401ks took a shit because the power of the dollar decreased. All right, I'm probably gonna. All right, got my medicine. Let's start this video again. Okay. I have my Grom V-Line 2 playing Blackpink. Let's see if we get any reactions from people behind us or next to us. Even though I have really dark tinted windows, people can still see the video that I'm playing at night. So, well, maybe we won't get any reactions because there's not a lot of people out tonight. That's fine. Now, if there's cops, I just, you know, hit the FM button on this radio, and then the screen disappears and goes back to normal. That would suck, getting a ticket over Blackpink. See, right now I wouldn't turn the fog lights on. It'll just be too bright and piss everyone off. get copyrighted. But yeah, it's playing. It's you can either download videos or you know, use your Wi-Fi hotspot. Alright, let's turn on the fog lights again. Holy shit, that's fucking bright, bro. That's awesome. That's awesome. Oh, a cat. God damn, that's fucking bright. Holy shit. Alright. That's it. That's the VIOFO A129 Pro Duo 4K. Thanks for watching.